Hi guys, today we're going to learn two new symbols, but in order to understand them, we're going to look at three symbols we already know. The first symbol is this symbol, and this is read, is equal to. Now, you can make sentences with this symbol that can be true, and you can also make sentences that could be false. Let me show an example. Here's one way to use this symbol to make a true sentence. This sentence says 4 is equal to 4, and it's true. Here's another way. This sentence says 5 is equal to 2 plus 3. That's also true. But you can also use this symbol to make false statements. Here's an example. This sentence says 3 is equal to 7, and it's false. So, we can use symbols like this to write true sentences and false. Here's another symbol you're familiar with that we can write sentences with. This symbol is read, is less than. Here's a sentence you can write with this symbol that is true. 4 is less than 5 times 3. That's true. Here's a sentence you can write with this symbol that's false. 4 plus 7 is less than 2 times 3. It's a completely perfect sentence, it just happens to be false. Let's look at another example. Again, another symbol you're familiar with. Is greater than. Here's a true sentence. 9 is greater than 7. And here's a false one. 2/3 is greater than 2 3/10. Now, we've looked at three symbols that we know. We're going to introduce two that are new to us and learn what they mean and how to write sentences with them that are both true and false. Here's our new symbol. It's a combination of a less than sign and an equal sign. For a reason. It's read, is less than or equal to. Let's see what we mean by that. It can be true under two different circumstances. 3 is less than or equal to 10. This is true because it satisfies one of the two. It is less than 10, so it's true. It can also be true in this case. 7 is less than or equal to 7. This is a true statement because the second part is true. 7 is equal to 7. The only way to make one of these sentences false is if neither of the circumstances are satisfied. So here's an example. 11 is less than or equal to 4. This is false because 11 is neither less than nor equal to 4. Let's see if you can apply what you just learned about the new symbol is less than or equal to write two examples that are true and one that's false for this new symbol, which is read is greater than or equal to. It's a combination of the greater than symbol and the equal sign, and it can be true under two different circumstances. Pause the video and try to write two different sentences that are true using this symbol and one that is false. Here are some answers that work. Yours will almost certainly be different. It can be true under two circumstances. Here's one case. 20 is greater than or equal to 9. That's true because 20 is greater than 9, so it's one of the two. This one says 2 plus 3 is greater than or equal to 5. It's also true because 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and that's one of the two. This one's a false statement. It says 36 is greater than or equal to 10 times 10. It's neither greater than nor equal to, therefore the entire sentence is false. One last thing. Let's use our knowledge to answer a different type of question. Right here we've got a sentence that's neither true nor false because we have a variable inside. This says m plus 4 is less than or equal to 9. Now we don't know whether it's true or false yet because we don't know what m is. But up here we're going to try a certain value of m. Is this sentence true if m is equal to 5? Here's how we find out. We substitute the 5 in for the m. We simplify the left side. And now we read the final sentence. 9 is less than or equal to 9. This is a true sentence because 9 is equal to 9, and that's that. So, there you have it. 2 new symbols. Is less than or equal to, and is greater than or equal to. Have fun!